I'm at the Beacons/Horizon showcase and I'm an artist liaison today.
This is my first experience with Beacons and I'm very thankful for the opportunity to be here today and to get as involved as I am.
The event is split across 2 venues today. We have 4 bands in the Corn Exchange, 3 bands in the pub, which is quite nice because it's 1 ticket. People get to pick which bands they want to go to. I've got Neo, Elle and Yeston with me today. It's the first time some of them have repped. It's been a great way for them to kind of get used to what it's like working in live music.
It's been a really good experience. I've mainly been assisting with the door, scanning people's tickets, but I've also had a chance to watch some of the bands like Slate and Half Happy.
The experience that I've had today has been very beneficial because I got to network with a lot of bands that I'd heard about but hadn't necessarily seen. I also got to go behind the scenes assisting Sam Stevens making this very video that you're watching right now.
Before I was a Beacons member, I had performed a few gigs and I'd put on gigs like with the support of my university. My aspirations for the future in the music industry are to own my own promotion company, be able to put on my own gigs and not have to be told what to do. I want to be able to just go out and be like, I want to put this gig on this week and do it.
I would hopefully like to see myself making my own events and running them myself, but right now I'm still at a stage where I'm exploring because there's a vast number of roles like in the music industry, and I think some of those things I won't really know until I've tried them.
I was first introduced to Beacons by being on one of their projects called Resonant, which is open for marginalised genders just as a way to get into the industry. Within the space of 6 months, I've gone from Resonant and learning about the industry to now getting paid experiences and having a position within the Beacons team itself.
Beacons membership, it's really helped me connect with other people who are like-minded and kind of trying to do the same thing. It's put me in contact with people like bassists or sound engineers, and yeah, it's been really helpful like that.
If you're feeling nervous about entering the music industry, the Beacons membership is amazing because I feel looked after with Beacons and I'm able to gain a lot more insight into how the industry works through talking to people who are also in the same kind of level as me, and also just being able to see other people kind of grow alongside me is really nice.
Beacons always provide really clear communication and really set the members up to succeed in their roles so that you fully understand what you're going to be doing, and there's always people on hand and you always feel safe to kind of ask questions or ask for an explanation if there's something that you don't understand.
I would definitely recommend Beacons membership to anybody who's trying to get into the music industry, because everybody's really supportive and they're trying to help you into the industry and get real work experience.
I'd highly recommend for anyone with the opportunity to join Beacons to do it, because any experience is good experience because you never know if you like it or not, so you might as well just go for it and give it a go.